In the wild world of Africa, where the sun dyes the sky red, when the lion, the king of the African savanna, goes on a hunt, where life and death are intertwined, and every day is a challenge to survive. In this natural world, only the strongest and most intelligent lions can maintain their lives. Every action, every decision is a step in a harsh journey, where survival is not just a natural law, but also the art of living. Join us to watch and explore this battle of life, where lions and other species face challenges to keep the food chain and natural balance from ever being disrupted. Lions often focus on group hunts, cooperating to defeat their prey. Lion prides often have complex plans and social relationships, which helps them organize hunts effectively. Cooperation between herd members is key to facing large prey, such as antelope, buffalo, or even elephants. Lions often hunt by summoning the power of their flock. They can sneak close to the target, then suddenly attack to create confusion and trap the prey within the swarm. The hunt can last from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the prey's ability and size. The lion is an animal with characteristic behaviors, showing strength, confidence, and sociality. They live in groups, often forming family cities with a male lion. Many lionesses, and they give birth to offspring. Each member of the herd has their own role and responsibilities, contributing to their social life. Lions are mainly quite versatile predators, and they can hunt depending on the habitat and the availability of animals. However, in the natural environment, wild boars or wild boars are usually not one of the main prey of lions. Lions often choose larger animals such as antelopes, buffaloes, and even elephants, because they are capable of providing a sufficient amount of meat to meet the nutritional needs of a pride of lions. Although lions do not always accept the challenge of hunting elephants, but sometimes they can attack young elephants or week-old elephants. Lions often focus on hunting in groups. The hunt usually lasts from short minutes to several hours, depending on the difficulty of the hunt and the size of the prey. Wild animals such as deer, donkeys, zebras and deer are part of the lion's diet, especially when larger prey cannot be found. Conflicts in lion prides can arise for many reasons, often related to territorial pitfalls. Male lions often fight to protect or expand their territory and maintain their position in the pride. This fight can lead to conflict between male lions, with the goal of gaining power and dominance. When food sources are scarce, especially during dry periods, lions may compete for possession of prey. This usually happens when there is a large prey, and many lions want it. The mating season of lions usually does not take place according to a fixed season like some other animals. Instead, lions can mate at any time of the year, and this time can vary depending on environmental conditions, food and water availability. However, in some areas, The mating season often focuses on the period after the dry season. When food sources are abundant and the territorial situation is more stable. Lions often spend a lot of time hunting and trapping their territory before the start of mating season. The mating season usually lasts from a few days to a few weeks. During this time, male lions will become more active, showing strength and challenging each other to gain territory and attract the attention of female lions. The choice of female lions during mating season is often based on the health status and strength of male lions, as well as the ability to protect territory and provide food for the herd. After the mating season, a female lion's pregnancy cycle lasts about 3.5 months, and then they give birth in the safe environment of their territory. The dry season in Africa can be harsh and have a significant impact on animal life. During the dry season, food sources decrease due to the drying of savannas and grasslands. Water also becomes scarce as streams, lakes and rivers reduce their water capacity. Some animals, such as elephants and buffalo, require large amounts of water to drink and stay hydrated. The dry season can cause water sources to lose or reduce the amount of water, creating great challenges for them. The dry season can prompt animals to migrate in search of food and water. This can create entrapment between animals and lead to territorial conflicts and predation. Lack of food and water can cause difficulties during reproduction. Some animals may have to wait until the rainy season to reproduce, when food and water sources become more abundant. Lack of food and water can make animals weak and susceptible to disease. It can even lead to population reduction and decline. The dry season can lead to starvation, when animals cannot find enough food. Additionally, debate can occur when water sources are lost and there is no place to retain moisture. Faced with these challenges, animals need to adapt and find survival strategies to get through the severe dry season. While the dry season can create challenges for many animals, for lions it also brings a number of benefits. During the dry season, grass and bushes often decrease, increasing the lion's ability to see and catch prey. In addition, animals will also weaken due to hunger and lack of water, making it easier for lions to defeat their prey. Lions often gather in groups to hunt large prey such as elephants, antelopes, and buffalo. During the journey of the dry season in Africa, the land becomes increasingly dry. The harsh picture of barrenness and scorching sun pose difficult challenges. The green steppes suddenly became oceans of brown and yellow. Each blade of grass holds on to life, like the last moments of freshness. Under the blazing sun, water becomes a primary concern, and the animals struggle to find the last drop of water. Every breath, every step, is a relentless fight against the harsh weather. the intersection between life and death stands out clearly, as patience and strength become the keys to survival. Every movement of an animal is a persistent effort to overcome the challenges of nature. Thank you for watching the video.